GST लागू जाल्यार 3 महिने जाले. GSTची गाडी अजून रुळार येना. लोकां भशेन सरकारी खाती प्रोसिजरात घुसपल्यात. खात्यांक GSTच्या परिणामांचो अदमास सारको आयलो ना म्हूण खुद्द मुख्यमंत्री सांगता.
GST impact also has to be assessed in by tomorrow or day after tomorrow at the most. आज कितली 4 मरे. By 6th of October, GST chair finance will issue the circular on various billing to be contract, works contract, tendering. These are stuck up because of departments were not able to assess the impact of GST on themselves. What has happened? For example, no contractor has billed because of this dispute, which we are resolving, which I told you by 6th, finance will issue the circular. So by 10th, all departments will know how to calculate, how to raise the bill. No contractor has raised the bill, therefore no contractor has paid GST to me.
GST कमी आयिल्ल्यान सरकाराक 68 कोटींची भरपाई केंद्राकडच्यान आयल्या. मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटात सध्या 80 कोटी शॉर्ट पडले. मात GST जाग्यार येता म्हणल्यार 50 कोटी तरी मायज जमतले.
As of now, we have not managed to collect GST, which is equivalent to VAT, for which on account we have already got 68 crores today as a compensation. The state revenue, according to us, should have been better in VAT regime by about 70 to 80 crores. But according to my calculation, we should get 40 to 50 crores extra once the regime stabilizes.
पहिल्या महिन्याक डेडलाईन वाडोवनूय 108 कोटी मेरेनूच GST जमलो. एन्फोर्समेंट वाडोवंक आतां गोंयच्या कमर्शियल खात्यान हालचाली सुरू केल्यात. GSTN नेटवर्कातलो जॅम आनी अडचणीक लागून ट्रेडर्स खंय रिटर्नाक फाटीं फुडें जातात. बुधवार सांजे ते खातीर पणजे ट्रेडर्स डीलर्स आनी सब डिलर्सांक मिनेझीस ब्रागांझा हॉलांत मिटींग घेतली. जापो दिवंक कमर्शियल खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्या बरोबर मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारूय आसलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी तुकाराम मराठे.